have something.
Oh, what is it?
Put the light
You
on.
gotta be kidding me.
Put the light on.
Oh my god!
What? What do you mean? What is it? What is it, a raccoon?
It's a dog! It's a dog!
No, it's not.
It's a dog!
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
It's a dog!
What is it?
It's a dog!
No. It's not for us. It's a mistake.
No, it has a bow.
No.
There was something in the bag. I'll go check.
Bring her in. She may be
It
cold.
might not be for us.
It is for us. Because the bag was on top.
No.
Because you asked where the Santa bag was.
And it was there. I'm head smart.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. How do you open it? Oh my god. I got it.
Are you sure?
How do you open it? I want to hold it. I want to hold it. It's so cute. It is from PetSmart. It's our dog. Oh my god. Come here.
Are you sure it's ours?
Look at it.
No.
Is it a Shih Tzu?
Are you sure, Jazz? Are you crying? Are you crying, honey? Are you sure?
It is
Guys, is
because-
this a joke?
No, because in the big bag it was PetSmart, so it is our dog. Ha! It's the best Christmas
Let me see her.
in my entire life. It's Christmas. It must be a girl. Oh,
Preston, do you think that's true?
yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, I don't believe it.
Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, here's the receipt.
What's in that box? What's in this thing? What's this say, Chris?
There's water.
My
Puppy love.
family.
Yeah, it's an
God.
ornament. Yes, we have a dog.
Are you sure? Preston.
We got
I think it's the wrong house. Right.
No,
Dad,
because
do you think it's the wrong house?
no.
Is that our Santa bag?
Yeah, that's our Santa bag.
No, I thought it was downstairs.
No, we didn't see it downstairs.
No?
Let's take her downstairs.
Doggy. It must be a girl. It's so cute. I got a dog.
You don't want to bring any of that stuff down? Let's see her.
She loves me already.